QUBT stock analysis and QUBT stock prediction. So in this brief short 1-minute video, what I'll be breaking down is my exact play with quantum computing. And this specifically is sitting at $17.53, I guess. I quite like it, but it's in this correction phase, which is, I guess, totally fine with me, because if you don't know, QUBT was not just here that I started buying. I mean, I think it was $2 at the time. What I really began? Was it? No, this is already 6. This is the $2 one, I believe. Right, correct. This is 7 months back, 19th of November. That's crazy. So ultimately speaking, yeah, here I started milking it up. I was open-minded to just doubling down as long as there was the shift. And I mean, it kind of gapped down further, but doesn't just take away the fact that my idea is still exactly the same. Aiming for the highs, as long as it makes sense to buy, then I'll buy. So how's that going to look like? Well, actually very simple. If there is a double break, then I'm looking to double down on it. But if you want to learn how to make your 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free email. So see you in the next one.